Sukhasana. Sit with your legs crossed, body erect, eyes closed. Now keep both your hands on your knees. This is called Sukhasana. From the name of this asana itself, we can make out that by doing it, we can get a lot of peace. That is why it is called Sukhasana. The best part is that we can do it for a long time without any difficulty. Benefits: while studying, if you don't sit on a table and chair but sit in Sukhasana and use a desk for putting your books, then we get double the benefit. You will also be able to study and do Sukhasana at the same time. Paschimottanasana. Spread your legs in front of you. Now inhale and raise both your hands fully. Fix your neck between both hands. Now exhale and try to hold the big toes of both legs with both your hands. But remember not to bend your knees, okay? Now keep the eyes closed. At this time, you will experience a stretch in the back. Now feel this tension with your eyes closed. Remain in this position for as long as you can. Now inhale and again raise both your hands. Then exhale and bring them down. Relax. While relaxing, spread both the legs a little and throw your neck fully backwards. Close your eyes and concentrate on the body. Benefits: the entire body is stretched while doing this asana. This helps in increasing our height. Also, if there's excess fat in our body, then that too will reduce and our whole body will feel fresh. Tanasana. Lie down on your back. Keep both legs near each other and both hands near the body. Inhale and raise both the hands upwards and stretch the entire body. Pull both the hands upwards and both the legs downwards. By doing this, you will feel your entire body stretching. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your body. Remain like this for as long as you can, and then slowly exhale and lower your hands. Relax. Keep both the legs at shoulder distance and loosen both hands. The palms should be facing upwards. Benefits: this asana also helps in increasing our height and removes laziness. The body feels active and fresh.
Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.